Cooking in bulk, a practical guide for your kitchen. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and useful aspect of cooking in bulk. This method is not just about making large quantities. It's about efficiency, saving time, and often, saving money. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just someone looking to optimize your meal prep, this video is for you. Let's explore what cooking in bulk really means and how you can incorporate it into your lifestyle. Cooking in bulk refers to preparing large quantities of food at one time. It's often done to have meals or ingredients ready for several days or even weeks. This approach is particularly beneficial for those with busy schedules, as it reduces the time spent cooking every day. Key benefits include time efficiency. Cook once, eat multiple times. Cost-effective. Buying ingredients in bulk is often cheaper. Less waste. Use up ingredients before they spoil. Variety. Mix and match dishes throughout the week. Successful bulk cooking starts with planning. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose recipes wisely. Pick recipes that are easy to scale up and store well. 2. Make a shopping list. List all the ingredients you need in the quantities required. 3. Schedule your cooking. Set aside a few hours for your cooking session. 4. Storage and labeling. Have containers ready for storing and label them with dates. Batch cook similar ingredients. Cook a large batch of a base ingredient, like rice or chicken, to use in different recipes. Freeze for freshness. Utilize your freezer to extend the shelf life of your meals. Season as you go. Remember to adjust seasoning for larger quantities. Safety first. Ensure proper cooling and storage to maintain food safety. Cooking in bulk can transform the way you approach meals, making your life easier and more efficient. We hope this video helps you embrace bulk cooking and make the most of your time and resources. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.